video, we'll continue solving math applications. SL, paper 1, May 21. Let's get started. Question number 6. Arriane has geese on her farm. She claims the mean weight of eggs from her black geese is less than the mean weight of eggs from her white geese. She recorded the weights of eggs in grams from a random selection of geese. The data is shown in the table. We have here the first row, weights of eggs from black geese, and the second row, weights of eggs from white geese. In order to test her claim, Arriane performs a t-test. At a 10% level of significance, it is assumed that the weight of eggs are normally distributed and the samples have equal variances. A. State in words the null hypothesis. So, for a t-test, if we are performing t-test for two samples, like this exercise, mainly the null hypothesis is the mu1, the first mean, is equal mu2, the second mean. But here, if we will write this is our null hypothesis, this will be wrong. Why? Because it's written clearly in words. So mu1 equals mu2 is not enough. What we're supposed to say? So we are writing the mean weight of eggs for all black geese is equal to the mean weight of eggs for all white geese. So this is our null hypothesis. So the null hypothesis, mu1, the first mean, equals mu2, the second mean. And in the other hand, if it will be asked about the alternative hypothesis, this will be her claim. So the mean weight of eggs for her black geese is less than the mean weight of eggs for her white geese. So this less than, this is for alternative hypothesis. Here we asking about the null hypothesis, H null. So this will be our null hypothesis. B, calculate the p-value for this test. So how we would calculate the p-value here? So we need to insert these two rows here, given rows here, into our calculator, into stats. Then insert this to column 1, the first row into column 1, and second row into column 2. Then tests, t-tests, calculate, we will get the p-value. And the p-value here and here, without the graphing calculator, we cannot find this p-value. We must know how to use the p-value, how to use the calculator to find the p-value. So we will get 0.17695 and so on, which is approximately 0.177. So this will be our p-value. Then C, state whether the result of the test support Arriane's claim, justify your reasoning. So we will use the p-value and compare it with the level of significance. Here we have 10% level of significance. So we can see that 0.177 is more than 0.1. This is the 10%. Means the p-value is more than alpha. What is alpha? This is the level of significance. So this is what we can see. This means that we accept the null hypothesis and no evidence to reject null hypothesis. Means we reject alternative hypothesis. Means we reject her claim. So her claim is rejected, and we would say that Arriane's claim is rejected, or we would say Arriane's claim is not supported by evidence. So state whether results of the test support. No, there is no support for Arriane's claim and we must reject it. This means the weight of the weight of eggs for the black geese is equal to the mean weight of wild geese. So this is our sixth question in this test. And if you have any other questions, and if you need more help in math, please write in the comments. I'm waiting for it. Thank you and see you in next video. Goodbye.